Welcome back to CoinZF, the channel where hidden treasures, rare coins, and unbelievable money stories come alive. Before we begin, make sure you subscribe to CoinZF, turn on the notification bell, and stay connected because the next coin in your pocket could change your entire future forever. Today we are diving deep into one of the most mysterious and talked about coins in South African history, the 1999 South Africa 1 Rand coin. At first glance, this coin looks completely ordinary. Thousands of people have seen it. Millions may have spent it without even thinking twice. But collectors around the world believe that a few rare versions of this coin could secretly be worth an unbelievable amount of money. Some reports from private collectors and underground coin auctions claim one special version has reached an estimated value of $808.80, and certain rare error examples are rumored to attract even bigger offers from elite collectors searching for missing pieces in their collections. Now imagine this for a second. You open an old drawer in your house. You find a dusty coin jar that nobody touched for years. Hidden between old buttons and forgotten currency notes is a simple 1 Rand coin from 1999. Most people would ignore it instantly. But what if that tiny coin was actually worth more than a brand new smartphone, a luxury watch, or even several months of salary for some people? That is exactly why coin collectors never stop searching. The South African 1 Rand coin already carries a strong reputation among collectors because of its unique design and important historical background. The year 1999 was a special period in South Africa. The country was entering a new era of economic and political growth. Currency production was changing, minting systems were evolving, and certain coin batches became harder to find over time. When rare production errors happened during periods of transition, collectors become obsessed because those coins often disappear quickly into private collections. The 1999 1 Rand coin features elegant national symbolism and strong cultural identity. On one side, collectors admire the clean design that represents South Africa's heritage and pride. The detailed engraving, balanced lettering, and metallic finish made the coin stand out compared to earlier versions. But according to experienced coin hunters, not every 1999 Rand coin is equal. Some contain tiny differences that ordinary people never notice. One of the biggest reasons this coin became famous is because of reported minting errors. In the coin world, errors are like winning the lottery. A small mistake during production can transform an everyday coin into a collector's dream. Some collectors claimed to discover off-center strikes where the design shifted slightly away from the center. Others reported double printing effects on letters and numbers. A few rare examples allegedly showed unusual metallic coloring or weak engraving marks. These tiny mistakes can turn a common coin into a valuable treasure. Now here is where the story becomes even more exciting. Older collectors in South Africa tell stories about certain rare 1999 1 Rand coins that disappeared from circulation almost immediately after release. Some believe a limited number were accidentally produced using experimental dyes or unusual metal mixtures. While official confirmation remains difficult, mystery increases demand. And when mystery combines with rarity, prices can explode. Collectors over the age of 55 especially love coins like this because they remember the era when these coins circulated daily. For them, it is not just money. It is history in the palm of their hand. Many retired collectors spend years searching markets, family boxes, estate sales, and antique shops hoping to uncover a forgotten rare Rand coin. Some even travel across cities carrying magnifying glasses and special lights just to inspect coin details invisible to ordinary eyes. Imagine sitting with your grandfather while he slowly pulls out an old leather wallet filled with coins collected over decades. Suddenly, he pauses at a 1999 South African 1 Rand coin. His eyes widen. He checks the date again. Then he notices a strange minting detail near the edge. At that moment, excitement fills the room because collectors know that one small difference can mean everything. Another reason why this coin attracts attention is condition. In the coin world, condition is king. A heavily damaged coin may only hold normal spending value. But a perfectly preserved 1999 1 Rand coin with sharp edges, strong shine, and untouched surfaces could attract serious offers from collectors. Coins graded in high condition often become centerpieces in elite collections. Professional collectors use special grading systems to examine coins carefully. They study scratches, shine, color, and even microscopic marks. A coin stored safely for years inside protective holders can become dramatically more valuable compared to one carried daily in pockets. That is why experienced collectors always tell beginners never to clean old coins. Cleaning can destroy original surfaces and reduce collector value instantly. The internet has also fueled the popularity of rare coins. Stories spread rapidly online about people discovering hidden treasures in ordinary change. Videos showing rare coin auctions receive millions of views. Some collectors compete aggressively during auctions because they fear missing a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. The excitement becomes emotional. For serious collectors, finding a rare coin is not just about profit. It is about pride, victory, and owning a piece of forgotten history. There are even rumors of private collectors offering huge amounts quietly without public auctions. Some wealthy collectors prefer keeping rare finds secret to increase mystery and future demand. This hidden side of the coin world fascinates many older viewers because it feels like a real-life treasure hunt. Now think carefully about the coins inside your home right now. Old drawers, piggy banks, storage boxes, inherited collections, forgotten wallets, and family safes may contain coins nobody checked properly for years. Sometimes the greatest treasures hide in the most ordinary places. Countless valuable coins were discovered accidentally by regular people who simply decided to look closely. If you own a 1999 South Africa 1 Rand coin, examine it carefully. Look at the date, lettering, edges, alignment, color, and overall condition. Use bright light if possible. Compare it with normal versions online or through collector communities. Even the smallest, unusual detail may matter more than you realize. Coin collecting continues growing because every coin tells a story. Some stories are about history, some are about mystery, and some are about unbelievable value hiding in plain sight. The 1999 South Africa 1 Rand coin represents all three. It reminds us that treasures still exist in the modern world for those patient enough to search. And now, for the moment everyone has been waiting for. According to collector rumors, rare auction discussions, and private market speculation, certain rare versions of the 1999 South Africa 1 Rand coin have reached an estimated collector value of $808.80. Some enthusiasts even believe exceptional error examples could climb much higher in the future as demand continues growing among elite collectors worldwide. So before you ignore another old coin, remember this story. Your next hidden treasure may already be sitting quietly inside your own home, waiting to be discovered.